Ever wondered about the differences between manual and automated testing? As the digital world expands, the need for efficient and effective software testing has never been greater. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into these two main types of testing: manual and automated. In the world of manual testing, the execution speed can be slower because it relies on human testers. The beauty of this approach, however, lies in its simplicity. The initial setup is quick and easy. All you need are skilled testers with a keen eye for detail. But remember, this method requires continuous human intervention for test execution and analysis. On the flip side, with manual testing, the coverage can be limited due to time constraints and the possibility of human error. The maintenance of this method is another area that requires continuous manual effort for test case upkeep. But don't fret, the initial investment is lower, primarily needing skilled testers. One of the major advantages is that debugging is easy, as testers can visually inspect the application. Manual testing is also more flexible to adapt to changes in requirements. Yet it requires strong domain knowledge and testing expertise. It's particularly suitable for exploratory testing, usability testing, and ad hoc testing. Now, let's shift gears and look at automated testing. This method is faster as it relies on automated scripts and tools. But remember, the initial setup can be time-consuming as scripts and frameworks need to be created. Once the scripts are developed, human involvement becomes minimal. Automated testing provides wider coverage. It can execute repetitive tasks and large test suites that may be difficult or time-consuming for a human. On the maintenance side, automated testing requires occasional updates to scripts and frameworks. However, the initial investment is higher as it involves purchasing tools, scripts, and infrastructure. Debugging can be challenging due to complex scripts. Automated testing may be less flexible as any changes may require script modifications. This method requires programming and scripting skills. But when it comes to regression testing, performance testing, and repetitive tasks, automated testing is your go-to. In summary, both manual and automated testing have their unique strengths and weaknesses. Manual testing, with its human touch, is flexible and easy to debug, but may be slower and limited in coverage. Automated testing, on the other hand, offers speed and wide coverage, but requires a higher initial investment and programming skills. So the choice between manual and automated testing depends on various factors such as the project requirements, budget, and available skills. Understanding these differences will help make an informed decision and ensure the delivery of high-quality software. In the end, it's all about finding the right balance. After all, the ultimate goal is to deliver a reliable and user-friendly product.